Thank you. We're going to do a quick video. This was the 1984 Hunter original I had for sale. It's now my parents' room. They decided they wanted original because their old new fan didn't move with much air. So this is what's in here. Very good condition. Let's go ahead and go on low. It's a 3-speed fan with reverse air black brackets. The turtle filter was painted by me. The brown is very close. It's a little bit darker, but it's not that noticeable. And it runs silent. So it's low speed. Let's go ahead and go to medium. Let's go ahead and go to high. This thing packs a lot more air than the other fan does. Not going to be doing spin down just because you've already seen this one spin down. Just want to show you its new home. Thanks for watching.